Techno Sun Energy, a one-stop supplier and service provider for all solar products, including solar panels, inverters, batteries, water heaters, solar streetlights, high mast lights, poles, and solar off-grid, hybrid, and on-grid power plants. Managed by B.Tech and Gujarat Energy Research and Management Institute, certified solar professionalist. Registered, government approved, and ISO certified. Our services are government supply, solar plant designing, energy consultancy, solar installation service, EPC project with AMC basis, and turnkey projects. We provide end-to-end renewable energy solutions for utility scale, industrial, commercial, and residential purpose. We have helped 1,000 plus homes go solar and have been helping our customers save up to 90% on their monthly electricity bills. We install both on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid solar systems. Take a look at our product. Solar power plant. On-grid solar system. Off-grid solar system. Hybrid solar system. Solar water heater. Solar streetlight. Solar pump. Solar panel. Solar high mast. Solar PCU and inverter. Solar batteries. HDG structure. Poles. We provide cost-effective solar panel installation and repair services. It is best to generate our own electricity from our own roof or unused land using solar electricity solutions. Contact us for any requirement, update, feedback, etc. that you may have. We assure you that our team will get back to you within 24 hours.